Jambo, Mursei, hello. Thank you for being part of this channel and thank you for being part of this movement. It's PTG on the mic. Today we have a very important lesson where I'm going to be explaining or demonstrating and explaining at the same time how you can make your rhythm sound good or sound better. So in today's video, we're going to be speaking of the power of sliding and pulling on the guitar when you are playing rhythm. Okay, let's go. So now I'm gonna go slow. This is C major. Okay, so first you see this chord, then so these are the chords that we're gonna be using. So let me go slow on it. Okay, so the pulls are here. Pull up, pull down. And you have to practice to pull up with this one on this fifth string. Use this finger. Then you pull down with the index finger. So it's first chord. So those pulls are the joins between the chords in the rhythm. So you can also pull here. First chord, when you're moving to the next chord, you pull going to the next chord like. So it's, so this chord, our 4 and our 5, you just hold them the same, just move them. So if you have this C chord and this chord and this joining, pull up and pull down, then this chord, you have the rhythm. So it's so this chord here can also practice this way just to get all the pieces together. First, just get to play these fingers these strings. Okay, so on this one, you play four strings, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Here also the same, 5, 4, 3, and 2. But here you play 5, 4, and 3. Unless you play this one. But okay, let's just end here. Just practice like this. Okay, so it's another thing okay, that you can also add on the first chord that you play. Also pull like so you pull here and you pull here. Mixing all the pulls in the rhythms to make your rhythm sound good. Just for example, okay, I'm gonna play without the pullings and then I play it with the pulls. Then you can compare the different like. You can hear, it's not a steady rhythm, but if you play like this, okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.